Alright, we're back still in Tijuana. We're gonna be leaving. I'm gonna show you guys the shortcut. If you have a motorcycle, the best shortcut ever is you wanna go to the New City Plaza. That's the medical building. And so what you do is you just stay straight with it. And there's a secret little motorcycle pathway. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So we're coming up to the stop sign. We're gonna go straight. Away, can't see no one. Vámonos, pásale, pásale. Vámonos, vámonos. What is this guy doing? Scuba. Ay, Dios mío. Ay, my God. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, he hit my handlebar. Damn. First time I get hit in Tijuana right there. Hey! He fucking opened the door and hit me. No, me. Someone opened the door and fucking hit me. Back there. You're like, boom. Bah. No. Alright. Go through here. Tuck my mirrors in. Neutral. And we're gonna go all the way. It's usually not this much traffic. I never had so much traffic in my life. Move it, move it. I can't believe I got hit right there. Damn. People are aggressive here. A little too aggressive. I mean, there's no way to. Alright, so this is where the crossing border is, and that's where the buses go. Let me show this. So this is actually where the buses go, and I want to make sure you didn't freaking hit my bike. So this is a San Ysidro, the pedestrian walkway. That's where everyone gets in a line, and the Ysidro way. And then we just go through the stop sign and we just cut all the way over. Oh my God. I don't know why he brought his knife. He shouldn't have brought that. So as we see, the biker, you just cut through the Century line, and then you go all the way through. So if you have a motorcycle, this is the easiest way to cross San Ysidro. But be careful, because that guy opened a freaking door on me. Yeah, I'm good. Alright, let's go. But be careful, because some of these people in Century, they don't like to stop. I don't know why. We're just gonna go all the way to the front. That's it. So there's 3 lines. You can have, if you have global entry, you can use Century. If you have Ready Lane, which is the passport little card. So once you get a passport, you can get a passport card too. So I'm gonna use Ready Lane because I have the passport card. But for motorcycles, you have to one car and one more. Oh, no, go. Oh, pretty good. Alright. Let's go. Usually when you get in line, you gotta let one motorcycle, one car, one motorcycle, so. Hopefully we'll be crossing pretty soon. Done that on. And that's it. That's how you cross the border. That's the secret way how to get across. Just try not to get hit by cars, especially people opening doors. Good thing you hit my handlebar though. It didn't look like you hit my bike, so everything looks good. But man, that caught me off guard though, because he opened his door and he hit my handlebar and made me want to like buckle in. So come on. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes the line goes quick, sometimes the line takes forever. It just depends on when. See, and this guy has like a nice little scooter. See, he's smart. And then take off your helmets. Usually they need to see your face. But crossing is pretty easy across the border. I do it pretty often, so it makes it easy. This is gonna take some time, so I don't want to run my battery down. It's like, fuck that, going over there. I guess we'll have a race who crosses first. I think I might be crossing before him. I don't know. We'll see. Really just depends on the agent. But then when you're crossing, you gotta be careful because a lot of these cars with the AC, they just spit water everywhere and it makes it super slippery. That breeze feels good though. It's so hot. I think it's like 90 degrees and I'm full leather, got my pants on, sweating my butt off, but it's okay. I don't know, he might beat me on this one. Vámonos, vámonos, órale! Ah, yo sé. Ay, ay, ay. He's one car ahead of me now. I should have been this one. This one's so much quicker. But once you get into this line, you really can't get out. Last time I tried to jump over and they weren't too happy with me, so. Pick a lane, and I mean, you wait like 20 minutes. I mean, you just cut that whole line all the way back there. So, I think you can wait like 10 minutes on a motorcycle, so that's okay. But they gotta do their inspection, so we'll see. Come on. Oh no, he's gonna pass before me. Damn it. What happened? What happened with the guy in front of me? Is it a truck? I can't see. Maybe it's a shift change. No, he's gonna beat me. Damn it. Win. I could still win. Oh no. This car had to get there. I would have beat him. Vámonos. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it in defeat. He beat me. Oh my god, it's hot. And there you go. That's how you cross the border. This video is probably super long. My bad.